Water damage catastrophes can happen anytime, and finding a reliable water extraction company is just a phone call away. Common causes of water damage to your home or building can include leaking or broken plumbing, washing machine overflow, a bursted water tank, heavy rain, and flooding. Whatever your situation, we can help 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We provide emergency water removal services for both residential and commercial buildings. Our urgent response team is standing by and available to help you within minutes of your call. We can handle all necessary water damage repairs and provide complete restoration to your home or building. Give us a call right now and let us take care of your emergency water extraction needs.